How to reset the windshield wiper motor. Now, the first method is the quick electronic reset. So first, don't start the engine, but just turn the key so the electronics are on. Then turn the wipers on low speed for a few cycles, then switch to high for 1 to 2 cycles, and then turn them off and watch where they stop. If they return properly to the bottom of the windshield, the reset worked. Now if they didn't, let's head over to method 2, which is the battery disconnect reset. Turn everything off, lights, radio, ignition, everything, and then disconnect the negative battery terminal. Use a wrench and remove it. Wait 5 to 10 minutes so it drains the remaining electrical charge and resets the modules. And then reconnect the battery. Tighten the terminal properly. And then reset wipers. Turn ignition on and test all speeds. Now if none of these work, you're gonna need to manually realign the wiper motor. So remove the plastic cover, usually held by clips or screws, and remove wiper arm nuts. Use a socket wrench to remove the nuts holding the arms. Sometimes they're tight and require gentle rocking. Turn the ignition on and cycle the wipers once. This lets the motor return to its true peak position automatically. And then reinstall the arms. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.